maritime environment is very different and very difficult. Not only is the weather usually terrible, you also have constant motion, and it makes it very difficult to understand what's going on everywhere all the time. There's nothing worse than being in a situation where you need information and all you have to do is detect it and feed it to the person who needs it. It would dramatically improve their understanding. RF can contribute to a host of interested parties who want to know what's going on in the maritime environment. It could be illegal fishing, it could be criminal activity such as smuggling, it could be counterterrorism activity. You have to use everything that's available to you: electro-optical, infrared, other types of detection capability, and very importantly, radio frequency detection. It can be the initial tipper that points other sensors so you can bring that fusion together, or it could be participating in that fusion process, discerning more detail about the contact that you're interested in. What would usually happen is a couple of ships, one would move west from Africa, another would come east from South America. They'd meet in the middle of the ocean, and this is all done with no AIS signal. And a HawkEye 360 is just a brilliant resource to be able to track these two ships, find them when they rendezvous at sea, observe how long that occurs, and how they split back up and go back to their original destinations. And you can be just ready to interdict the receiving ship upon arrival. Freedom of navigation involves vessels on the high seas being able to transit or operate where international law allows them to do so. If you don't enforce that, then over time, customary international law will whittle away at it and you'll lose that freedom of navigation. HawkEye 360 is at the leading edge, uncovering new use cases for this amazing commercial RF capability.